The station of Harvey will reach beyond the human toll. It'll also be tough on pets left behind in the chaos.
ABC 15's Jason Valentine sat down with an animal rescuer from Hurricane Katrina. And Jason, first, are there any animals from Harvey being brought to Arizona?
Katie, right now, none at the two biggest shelters in the valley, although the Arizona Humane Society told me they expect to have a few animals coming from Houston over the next days or maybe even weeks. But the biggest problem is matching those lost animals back up with their owners after the fact, something this rescuer you're about to meet knows all too well from her time helping after Katrina.
She's from Katrina. She was a kitten when I got her.
A kitty named King Kong, one of the roughly 15,000 lost animals pulled out of the floodwaters in Katrina's aftermath, according to one Louisiana animal rescue.
She lives in this bowl. This is her bowl.
80% never found their owners.
The priority for us and for a lot of the people rescuing on the ground, the individuals, was to save their lives. And it wasn't necessarily what address did I get it from. Most of the addresses were covered up with water.
Karen O'Toole wrote a book on her experience rescuing animals in New Orleans and the horrors she saw.
I suffered from post-traumatic stress after that.
The stresses of seeing animals abandoned during the storm that didn't make it.
We found chained animals that were literally dead with their heads above, trying to be above water.
It's impossible to know how many animals will be found dead or lost along the Texas coast. But Karen says she's already seen hope in Houston, people evacuating with their pets, possibly lessons learned from Katrina.
I noticed the boats in Houston are letting the animals in and people are carrying their animals around, which is very different than Katrina.
Karen says disasters like this are a perfect example of why you need to microchip your pets so they can be matched back up after the storm, and a perfect example of why you need to spay and neuter so there's room in the shelters when disaster strikes. Live in Phoenix, I'm Jason Valentine, ABC 15 Arizona.